Hello, everybody. This is life coach Rashmi Saha. I'm also founder of Mukti Mission, an NGO that's working on menstrual hygiene and mental health awareness. I'm a TEDx speaker, Rex Karamveer awardee, Wiki State President, and Loni State Chair. I'm a traveler and a poet by passion. My journey so far has been really interesting, enriching, and adventurous. I call myself Destiny's favorite child. And trust me, the story will justify my belief. I am a civil engineer by education. Started my journey back in 2008 when I started my job as a site engineering professional, where I was the only civil engineer who was a female. There were two female laborers working with me. There were no toilets. The idea around having a woman in the field, in the site, was something which was not acceptable for a lot of people. So many challenges. Changed my profile, moved to another city, worked in a different company. That was Mumbai. Worked for some time, switched to interior designing. Studied, had to drop it. Meanwhile, I have been coming across all these profiles in my technical field and different cities, different people, different jobs. There was one particular question that always hit my mind. Why no stability? Why so many changes? Why not a normal life like normal people? One job, n number of promotions, success, stability, everything. But it was 2015 when I joined this company where my profile was a beautiful mix of a coach, a technical person, a counselor. Gave all the answers to all the questions that I have been having. Since then, there have been no looking back. I've been into life coaching for more than 5 years now, dealing with youth, kids, women, adults, senior citizens. And it's been a beautiful, beautiful journey. Traveled almost an entire country, visited different places which I never thought existed as well. Met so many amazing people, learned so many new things, tried so many new cuisines, learned to know about a lot of new cultures, traditions, beliefs. And this was something that gave my life the meaning and the right direction that I guess I always wanted to be in. It was meanwhile I was traveling, meeting people. There were two major things that have been constantly hitting my brain for some personal reasons, for a lot of things that I saw around. One of them was menstrual hygiene and mental health. I started to work on this through my initiative, Mukti Mission. I initiated Mukti Mission back in 2017, and the first phase was to work on menstrual hygiene. It was yet another beautiful start. Challenging though, but it was interesting. Reaching out to people from villages of Jharkhand, knocking their doors, asking them to come out to speak about them, their private parts, and their very internal organs was something which was not acceptable, which was something that was scary. But it started that way, reaching out to schools, students, colleges, and then it went on. This is a little part of my success, and I really hope to take this ahead as far and wide as possible.